Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and this is my second vlog, which is a very special vlog because I'm shooting this video on my mom's birthday. So me and my sister are going to give a surprise to my mom by cooking a special dinner for her. So, and I'm shooting this intro later. So today is Mahalakshmi and the Ganpati festival is going on, and I just came from the puja, and hence I'm wearing this very nice green kurta and this pretty earrings and everything. So I just came from the puja, and when I was editing the video, I saw that my intro video got corrupted, so I have to shoot this now. So please excuse me for that, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. And if you like, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and enjoy this video till the end. Me and my sister, we both are going to make dinner, and let's go in the kitchen and find out what all the things we are making. So we are trying to keep it simple. There will be like one sabzi and jeera rice, and we have some starters as well. So, and we are going to cook that. So let's go into the kitchen and see what we are making. I'm not going to show you whole recipes, but some of them might be on my cooking channel. So if you want to check that out, I'll put the link in the description bar. You can check out there. Now let's get started. Hey guys, so welcome to my kitchen, and there is some lighting issue, so I hope this lighting is little bit, but yeah, we can adjust with that for today. So first, now I'm going to cook rice. For that I have taken some basmati chawal. Okay, so I'm just going to wash it and soak it for like 10 to 15 minutes, and then I'm going to cook it. It will take a little longer, so I'm just going to start with making the rice first. And my sister in the back is cutting the vegetables. So yeah, I just hope everything goes really well, and whatever we are preparing, which you will know in some time, I hope it is good. So yeah, let's get started. I'm very excited. So I have put the rice in the water, and I have also added a little bit of salt and little bit of ghee to that, and we're just going to cook it for like 80%, and then we'll make jeera rice. And here my sister is chopping some veggies, and she's very slow. Chopped some onions, and then I'm going to grind these tomatoes, and these are the veggies I have chopped: some carrots, some capsicums and onion, and some capsicum with different size. So this is I'm going to use for starters, and this one is for the vegetable for the sabzi. So I've decided I'm going to prepare paneer tikka, and my sister is going to make
veg angara.
Okay, so veg angara, and my rice is done. So this is my rice. It's 80% cooked, and I'm just going to cool it down for like 5-10 minutes, and then we'll make jeera rice. So here I'm going to marinate my paneer. For that I have just taken some curd and mixed this with the curd properly, and then I'm going to add black pepper powder. Then this is roasted cumin powder, little bit, then some turmeric powder. I have added some Kashmiri lal mirch for the color, and I am going to add some salt to this. I have added some ginger garlic paste, garam masala, and some lemon juice. So I have mixed everything. I am just going to add the paneer cubes to this, and some veggies which we have already cut. So these are some capsicums and some onions. I am going to marinate this for like 30 minutes, not more than that. So now my sister is preparing sabzi. So we are just sorting the onion, ginger garlic paste, some veggies. So this is sweet corn. Then we have this peas. These peas are the frozen peas. That's why I just put it in water. Then we have red chili paste and some tomato puree and paneer, of course. So our gravy is ready, and now I'm just going to put all the veggies into that. What else have you put in the gravy, Amrita?
Cashew nut paste, green chili paste, and some desi or everyday masalas like red chili powder,
tomato paste.
yeah, and some cashew nut paste, and then I have added some turmeric and all that, those kind of things. And you can put any vegetable you want. We don't like with that much of vegetables, so I'm just going to saute a little bit into mustard. Put them all.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear I. आई तुला आमचं सरप्राईज कसं वाटलं मग?
खूप छान वाटत आहे बेटा. तुम्ही हे सर्व केल्याबद्दल तुमचे धन्यवाद.
So my paneer tikka is ready, and I also made some mint chutney, and this is looking really very tempting, and I'm so excited to tell you guys what else we made for the dinner. Our sabzi is almost ready, and there is just one thing left, and I'm so excited for that. Now we are going to give the angar. So we just have to put one hot coal in between. So we're just going to place the coal in between. So everything is ready. This is paneer tikka. With that we have the mint and curd chutney, and then we have this veg angara which is hot, and we made this jeera rice. Everything is ready. Rotis are also ready, and I'm just going to dig in because I'm really very hungry right now. And so hey guys, I just had my dinner. Everything was so yummy, and I'm so full right now, and of course I'm very tired because we are doing this whole dinner thing, planning and all since so long. And I hope you just like this vlog, and if you did, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and let me know in the comment section if you like this vlog style videos more or my other video, or if you have any more suggestions for my channel. So please give your suggestions in the comment section below, and I'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye and take care. So me and my sister here, we both are going
No.
so me and my sister, we both are going to do